Here's some insane footage of a massive wave launching ice boulders over a seawall.
Look at that! Holy crap! Oh my god!
Get inside! Get inside!
Shut down the door! Get in there!
Get T, doing it.
Come on! Hey, get in here!
Go on, get in back.
Watch as a group of people run into a Target store to take shelter from a powerful tornado.
Oh god! Okay, away from the door, guys. Like it's a tornado, guys. Like get out of there. Like this is called a tornado. Get.
No! Holy no! No! Oh! Oh! Oh, that's a wave. Oh, that's a wave. Oh my god! Oh my god!
A deadly bushfire rips across a hillside in Turkey, and the footage is terrifying. This hurricane is so intense, even this dog can't take a number at the vet.
I just don't know who lives there.
Feel my leg.
There goes, there goes, there goes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
A flash flood traps drivers in their cars until bulldozers show up to save the day. Ever heard of soot swirls? It's a strange countryside phenomenon, and it's kind of beautiful.
Holy!
These poor seagulls are getting absolutely wrecked by hurricane force winds.
What the hell?
No, it's from this water from the sewer. It blasted it
Oh
open.
my god, the manhole came off.
Oh my god. What the hell is going on? Why is it going so fast?
That bitch got big! And he's trying to roll his windows up.
This wind is so strong it sends an entire swimming pool flying through the air.
What the fuck?
Cansei de correr, ó. Eu queria chegar lá pertinho. Não vou correr mais sem ele, não. Nossa! Aí, olha aí, ó. Ê, Satanás! Mano do céu! Mano do céu!
Here's a heroic rescue of a man trapped in his car during a flood.
Got him. They got him out.
Oh, I took videos and everything. Holy shit.
Yeah, that's where our kitchen tent was.
Yeah, you walk around and this is the worst storm I've ever had in my life.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the chaos, hit that like
where
button,
the
subscribe,
shit was.
and don't forget to ring the bell.
That's pretty much it. Just the tent, garbage. Where we were sitting.